Welcome to my channel. I'm AlyssaBrooke. This is my sister Zoe.
What's up?
And today we're doing these eye looks. And if you'd like to know how to recreate them, keep on watching. I'm using this coconut ultra lip oil. I got it at the Beauty Mart.
What you think about dressing up in today?
My wig.
Who dug off in that?
I think it was my fingernail on accident. R.I.P. Kumquat.
Get out of here.
I'm gonna dip into Untamed out of the Subculture palette.
We're gonna go in with a mix of Cake Mix and Ouch. Put that in the crease. I'm gonna blend that up and out with Subtle from Thirsty. Glucose from Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette on the eyelid. Just kind of brighten the inside up. And I'm going to go in with Kumquat on the bottom lash line.
I was using Morphe N213. It looks like this.
And I'm going in with the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner.
I'm taking some of that Destiny shade, and I'm going to try to blend this out. I'm taking that Untamed back to darken up against the lash line. I'm taking that Untamed under my eye as tight as I can get it against my waterline.
I need another one of these, but for mascara I'm going in with They're Real by Benefit. It's not as moist as it could be.
I'm taking the Eccentric shade, spraying it with my Grace and Stella Rose spray. And before buying this palette full price, go to your local TJ Maxx and just check it out. Sometimes they have it for like $25. Do y'all remember back when all the makeup drama was about the fallout in the Subculture palette? I said, if you get this shade wet, it just works so good. If y'all want me to create a different look doing this technique, just let me know. But if you want to do just neutral brown up to like a tan to white or whatever you can. I've done a red one of these.
Okay. That's my makeup look. I'm not done yet. I forgot to put a shimmer in my inner corner.
We're going in with the Morphe 35F Fall into Frost palette.
I'm using the same shade.
I got overnight brows on.
Never sleep in your makeup.
Don't sleep in your makeup. I was so tired.
Not an excuse.
I don't even know.
Both my water and my coffee are watered down. And I'm just going to reapply some of the coconut oil lip stuff. We're going to be taking pictures as well, like doing our hair and getting dressed.
We'll throw some of those pictures in.
If they turn out good, because I'm an insecure whore.
Yeah, but I'll try to force her. Because I gotta force myself.
Force me to do what? I'm calling the cops. Forcing me to do.
This is our end look.
Oh, you have that.
You have that. I don't. If you got any questions, just comment. She'll answer them. We can do more than just makeup looks if y'all are interested in that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Turn on post notifications so you know whenever I upload. You can follow her at DohDohAlexis.
She'll put it down in the description because some people don't know how to spell that.
Bye.
Bye.